how to influence others to take action. Your first job as a leader should be to motivate your team and get them to work as well as possible. If you can't accomplish that much, then you'll find that your office is not productive and that you end up going nowhere fast. Fortunately, a lot of research has been done into the nature of motivation, particularly in the office, and it sheds useful light on how we should go about motivating workers to get the most out of them. By listening to this presentation, you'll learn precisely what you need to do in order to motivate your team to work their very best. Carrot or stick? The old question here was always carrot or stick, but it turns out that the correct answer is, in fact, neither. When getting someone to perform unchallenging and repetitive labor, like filing envelopes, the carrot and stick approach has been shown to work well. However, countless studies have shown that when you want your team to work creatively and use their intuition, the exact opposite is actually true. Gamification, incentivizing, or threatening will all create a kind of tunnel vision in staff that can actually stifle innovation and creativity, as well as reducing their enjoyment of the work they do. So what do you do to motivate your staff? It turns out that the best way to get your staff to work well is to make them feel invested in their work. Give them some kind of ownership over what they produce. Give them the freedom to add their own ideas and solutions. And you will find that your staff end up working harder as of their own accord. This is why the free time at Google is so successful. This gives employees the chance to work on projects that they are interested in, and often it yields the best results. Likewise, when you take an existing task that needs completing, and you give someone the control and freedom they need to decide how that work gets done, you'll find you instantly increase their emotional investment in the task. Instead of controlling every action a person takes, you are giving them ownership of a project or a department. Now it is in their best interest to be productive, and they can decide how they want to go about achieving those goals, which is far more creatively rewarding.